Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to refer and earn using crypto.com in 2025, including how you can find your referral link and how much you can actually earn per sign up. For that, first of all, launch your crypto.com application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Over here, tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, then scroll down and select the option of refer. Once you are here on this referral bonus page, you will see that you can earn up to $35 per referral. And in order to get this particular amount, they will have to do certain tasks like your friend need to trade at least with $100 in the first 30 days, and your friend, if deposit $200 to the fiat currency, you get extra $5. And if your friend reserves a metal crypto.com card in the first 30 days, you are going to get $25 as the sign up bonus. So here, in order to find your referral link, simply tap on the share option here in the bottom. This is the QR code, this is your referral code, and this is your referral link, which you can basically copy and share to your friends or family members and ask them to join crypto.com. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.